What's up, fuckers? Oh my god, why does it do that? Why does it have the little lines in it and shit?
It's scanning your face. What?
No, I think it's the light.
Oh, the lines on the
Yeah, like,
camera?
see it?
Yeah, that's you.
Hold on. Perfect.
How do you think it's
Never mind, it's still kind of ass. It's doing the line shit, motherfucker.
You gotta
So.
take off the whole shift cable again?
Huh?
You gotta take off the whole shift cable again?
Yep, again.
Damn. I'm not gonna mess with that. I wanna make my shit. I mean, you could just detach this, or just pull that off. I don't know.
I'm looking at you and then there's Luna in the background. She's gonna try to escape.
Yes.
Let me go! Let me at him! Let me at him! Let me at him! Okay, so back to another video. It was gonna be a Grom video, but the dude that I texted for the Grom exhaust, he is not responding for some reason. Well, I also was delaying messages and shit like that, but we got parts for the Daytona. Well, we're back with another video. This was supposed to be a Daytona video. We just put in a new gear position sensor, hoping that it would fix the neutral issue, but it didn't work. That noise you hear also is the generator, so we can have our power going on, so just ignore that. But yeah, so it's not I guess that wasn't the issue. I'm not gonna lie, losing hope on this thing. Slowly but surely. So yeah, but just a quick little update on it. Originally got it, no power whatsoever. Found out the ECU was shorted, put a different ECU in. Now we get lights on the dash and everything, but we still cannot get it to find neutral. We can't get it to crank. Yesterday, I installed this Competition Works plate holder because I didn't like, where is it? This plate holder. The rear axle sliders, they're gonna be coming in, so that way I could take that off and, you know, not have that plate holder on there. But I just gotta install the light for this, so that way I have my license plate light and it could be legal. But yeah, instead, we're gonna be working on the Grom, like how I've been promising, but just neglecting. Seats off because it was having an issue the other day. Almost didn't want to start, but it's solved itself basically. And I ended up picking up this Zoom Brute exhaust. It is used. Found it on Facebook for a steal. I wasn't even looking for Grom parts, but I saw it and I was like, screw it, I'll just get this one instead of waiting 2 weeks for one to come in. But yeah, so I'm gonna get a couple clips of it with the stock exhaust, and then get a couple clips of it with this. All right, now that's up on the stand, I'm going to go ahead and start it, give you all the clips, couple revs, and then we're gonna get to installing the new exhaust, and I'll do the same thing with that one. So yeah, 1 second. And here we are. That looks so good. Oh yeah. And this is the after with the Zoom Brute exhaust. There was an issue on the, what's it called? The V-band clamp. That one was, I guess the last guy had stripped it maybe or something like that, but as I was tightening it, snapped, whatever. I don't ride this thing enough to care. I'll probably fix it later. But yeah, so here's the after, almost from the same distance that the camera was last time when I did the before, but here we go. is 10 times better, like 10 times better. But yeah, this is the exhaust that I wanted to get. Saw it on Facebook and was like, fuck it, I'm not waiting 2 weeks and I can get it half off immediately. So yeah, I just took the deal. I was looking for stuff for a little piece of shit right there, but I found that instead. So got the Grom video done. But yeah, I want to thank y'all for watching. We'll have stuff on the Daytona soon. I gotta figure something out, or I might just drop it off with Triumph, see if they can figure it out themselves, and then I'll fix the issue. But yeah, so I'll probably just mainly focus on the Grom and the Del Sol for right now. Del Sol does need a new radiator. I'm gonna do a little honest review on the Skunk 2 radiator that we put in a year ago. A little pissed off right now with it. But yeah, so see y'all in the next video. Te amo, mamá huevo.